Yesterday we had three trades. So yesterday, right before the session ended, like around 11 a.m., US 30 finally decided to go our way, and then we picked up like 180 points. Some people picked up 200 points, but yeah. And then at night we picked up gold. That was fucking crazy, all the way down to 1785. I didn't stay down all the way till there, but I got to like I think like second second TP or some shit like that on gold. So let's see what's going on. So right now, US 30 is riding the fucking wave all the way down, riding the 20-day moving average. If you guys see that, so remember when price is under the 20-day moving average, it's just bearish all the way down. So right now it's just riding that, it's respecting it. As you can see, keeps coming back and touching it, and then crashing back down. So let me see. So right now, what we're waiting for is just a nice break below this resistance right here.
Agüita, ya es hora.
Give me a second. What we're waiting for is a nice break below this little resistance right here, just so we can see if we can get the sell all the way down. If it starts making moves above the 20 moving average, it could break all-time highs again and keep going up. On the bigger time frames, it doesn't look like it. It looks like it's going down, but again, we don't know yet. We gotta see. Let's look at the daily real quick. What the fuck is that?
Got that amber.
Amber alert. Amber alert. So right now the daily is making a doji right now on the daily candle. I like that it opened. If it opens and closes within this candle, then we're gonna get that shit all the way down. A nice reversal on the daily. But then again, the daily is not gonna close for another 7 hours. So obviously we still got a long way to go. But I like that it opened inside of this candle. If it closes inside of this candle, we're gonna get that nice drop all the way down to the float. So we are waiting for that. Let's take a look at 15 minutes. Looks like it's finally dropping. So what we're waiting for is that break of support right there. You see your gold last night? Gold fucking dipped, bro. Gold dip. Gold dip. So we're waiting for gold. Also is kind of doing a reversal, but gold is doing the same thing as US 30. It's riding the 20-day moving average. Just came back actually right now to retest it, and it looks like it's gonna drop some more. So until we don't see like candles actually start forming above, first of all, until I don't see candles actually start closing above 1785, we're not taking any buys on gold yet. So we want to see candles closing above 1785, and most importantly, as a second confluence, we want to see candles start closing above the 20-day moving average. So for now on gold, we're on standby. Let's see here. GJ pushing up. GPAUD. And Euro. So Euro got this little resistance right here. Let's leave that there. So Swift was bad boy. What other pairs do you guys trade that you'd like us to look at?
To be honest, bro, US 30 like the one of the best pairs. It makes the most money.
Yeah, US 30 usually makes the most money. My secondary pair is gold, and my third is GBP.
SPX. Yeah, it's pretty far.
Yeah, XPX just moves. It's very similar to US 30 too. So let's see.
Hey, bro, what about Nasdaq?
Nasdaq, the Nas 100.
Yeah.
This is like a replica of. Let me show you. We put here. Not XPX. My bad. Here it is. It's like almost the same shit as XPX watch. You see it?
Yeah.
Moves almost the same shit. I don't like to trade pairs that almost move the same because it doesn't make any sense. It's just you're doing the same thing. So like if you're right, you're right twice, which is good. But when you're wrong twice. You get me? I rather like diversify it a little bit, so that they don't run the same. But if you look at it, it's exactly you're looking at almost the same exact chart. Look at it.
Yeah.
Same
It's
exact
crazy
chart.
how the other day I took a trade because Nas was dropped like 400 points, but
Right.
US 30 was going the opposite the exact opposite way.
Right.
And I was like, wow.
Yeah, like I'll do like US 30 and XPX or US 30 and NAS 100, but I wouldn't do like XPX and
Yeah.
and NAS 100.
Nice,
It's
yeah.
almost the same shit. Um, let me see GBP real quick. GBP pulling up and gold is pulling up. So gold keeps rejecting. You see how I just did that push up, and it's rejecting up the 20-day moving average. So GBP looking like to break resistance up here. Let me look at the daily real quick to see where is it heading to. That's just crazy. Look at these. Look at this. This is like a straight up arrow. It's been going up for days in a row, like days and days. If somebody's been holding that shit, got mad money.
Yeah, with GBP JPY, you're better off just like finding a buy and holding it as long as possible and move your stop loss up as it goes.
Yeah, literally. Like you can never go go wrong with just a buy and just holding it.
I think it's hard to short because like the yen is like such a crappy currency compared to the pound too. Like I don't know, the pound is such a strong like currency. So
yeah. Like it has to be like some type of volatile news for the pound for the yen for this to actually go down. Like not even even if it's good news for the yen, which has been lately, the pound still hasn't it still hasn't overpowered the pound. So it has to be, I think, bad news. Something bad has to come out specifically for the pound for this shit to go down. Bro, but this shit's been going up since December. Since December, it's just been going up nonstop, riding the 20-day moving average on the daily. It's crazy, bro. Like you can just put a buy and just wait and just sit there. And just like if you're wrong, you still just hold it and it would just still go up.
Yeah, I'm almost like done looking for sells for GBP JPY at this point.
Yeah. Literally just right now, I'm just looking for retractions and then continuation up on the buys. Right now, so it looks like it's headed for this shit. It's headed up here, 152. Yeah, look at it right there. Let me mark that shit.
That GJRSI though on that one day is fucking bananas. It's like at 90 almost.
Yeah, bro, that's just crazy. And like nobody shorted it though, because the reality, like it's like Chris said, everybody that shorted it keeps like getting like fucked. So I think at this point, people just stop shorting it, and that's like a dangerous situation because it just keep going up and up and up and up. So
yeah, and the gap is widening between the MAs too. So whenever it does drop, oh shit.
Yeah, there's like a nice price gap between the oh shit. Let me take a look what's going on here. There's a nice price gap between between price and the 20-day moving average. Like when it drops, it's gonna be crazy. There it is. Yo, I'm still holding that shit from last night. I'm gonna tell you how much I'm profiting right now. 30.
You jumped in
last night. Remember what I sent you? I already had an order placed.
Oh no, but I didn't. I thought that you had that shit from before. All right.
No.
So we're breaking already, no? From what he said.
Yeah, waiting for close below. Let's wait for that close. Wait for that close.
What do you think is going to 800 or even lower?
700. I think it could just come back and retouch that nice top. Yeah, it's definitely that's definitely a support right there. When you guys see that right there like that resisting, that's definitely a support. Let's go to the 5 minutes. Yep. Again, I don't take trades off the 5 minute. This is just to take a closer look at what's going on deeper. Okay, so right now it's just resisting this. That's what I want to see. I mean, I don't ever take trades off the 5 minute. That's just for scalping. It's not. There's something wrong with it. It's just for scalping. Not my style.
You usually use the 15-minute for your trades.
Yeah, just to like enter it and then analyzing. I do everything. I do like 1 hour, 4 hour. You have to do everything just to get a bigger picture. Okay, so hope it does some shit like this. Hopefully it does some shit like this. That'd be nice. That would be nice. But who knows? So I mean, the news that came out this morning with the jobless shit was good, and it did a nice little jump up, but it wasn't enough. Like this is the news right here. It went and it went touch, but it wasn't enough. It was not enough. But if you look at the bigger picture, like 4 hour, for example, nice all the way down. Here you have a nice turning point too, because you got a wick, and a wick. Your entry would have been here, stop loss up here. Whoever got that on the 4H, whoever has my advanced course with the turning points, this is a turning point right here. So the way you will play this turning point, it will be right here. 1, 2, 3, entry here, stop loss here, 61 points, and you ride that all the way down. So that's how you ride that. But for now, we are here. So if you would have caught that on the 4H, you would have been in hella profit already anyways. This is the 20 and the 50. So stop loss, you always want to put it a little bit like around here, this area, like above the 20. Sometimes I like to ride it above the 50, but when you have these big stop losses, what you want to do is, like I said, is properly just risk management. I mean, here, even with a big stop loss, you're still looking at a 1-to-3 ratio or a 3-to-1 ratio. You get me? So in reality, you don't have to enter here with a crazy lot size because you're talking about 230 points. If you enter this with a 0.10, you're making $2,300. So in reality, you don't need it, with a big stop loss. You're losing 700 possibly to make 2,300. So 1-to-3, 3-to-1 ratio. So this show is crazy though. I can't believe we caught this I think it was like yesterday, right before I closed the Zoom. We were like, oh shit, it broke, boom, and we took that all the way up. I didn't know it was gonna go all the way up here though. That's crazy, bro. I would have wrote that. I would have made like 20,000 I think on a 0.50 though, because I entered with a low lot size from my account. It was 0.50.
What's crazy is look at the technical. The technical is saying strong buy, and that shit's about to break down.
Yeah, that shit's always saying the same shit. Let me see. Let's see what the fuck it says on gold. Oh, it doesn't say anything on gold. I think it broke. I think gold broke the technical.
No, it never says it on gold. I don't know why.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, never.
Weird. Euro just went up. Euro going in on a Tuesday. Yeah, this is based on like performance on like the year to date, 1 month, all that shit. So this is more like stock related shit. Because overall, I mean, the Dow has been going up overall for a while now. I think since December has been going up nonstop if you look at it. That's October, yeah, December, look, going up in a straight arrow up. So the Dow is a buy all day. It's obviously not for intraday trading. Damn, bro. So this is definitely it's confirming that this is support right here, a nice little support area. We're just waiting for that break of support. So once it breaks support, we'll enter wherever it lands. and ride it all the way down. But right now, it's just building support there. I will not enter any sells or buys, just because it could turn. It could just do a nice little turnaround. Can do something like that. Let's take a look at gold. Gold's still riding the 20-day moving average. I don't know where gold's gonna land, bro. I think gold hustles crazy. If it closes bullish on the 4H like this, we can get a reversal. But otherwise, bro, I think it's gonna keep dropping all the way to like 1760 or some shit.
Yeah, it looks like lower highs.
Yeah,
Getting rejected right now. That's 1787.
just keeps making like lower lows, lower highs.
I think if it breaks the 1785 price that it hit support last night at 9 or yesterday at 9 in the morning, that's just gonna drop. Because the only last support I see here was the one the two little wick there from before. That one and the one from before. So if it breaks that shit, that 1785 line, that's just tanking. Yep.
Yeah, it's just riding. I think right now it's just riding the wave. Look, it's just riding the 20.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, let's go. Come on. Come on, come on. You gotta break below on the 5-minute. Let's see, man. Let's see. The reason why I like the 15-minute is because it's composed of 3 candles, right? So if you have 3 chances, right? Let's say 2 of those candles are bearish and 1 is bullish. That means that your probabilities of going bearish is higher because you have a 2 to 1. You get me? So that's why I like the 15-minute candle. With the 5 minutes, it's always even. It's always 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes.
About to close. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, and that's a 5 minute.
Close under.
Yeah, but that's a 5 minutes. Still waiting for that 15-minute to close. I don't trust 5 minutes. I don't trust these 5 minutes. GJ hit resistance. Wow, gold, see that? The gold hit the 20. Boom, melted all the way down. I'm telling you, it's just riding the 20 all the way down. Hit that 20, melted.
I'm gonna attempt to buy that shit right at the top. I know 20 more.
See why I don't like the 5 minutes, bro? Just puts it right back up. Let's see.
What up, Alex?
Yo, what's up, bro?
What's up, guys? Johnny here. How we looking?
We're waiting for a nice little break of support here. It's made support here, so we're waiting for that break. Our candle to actually close below so we can set it all the way down to 31,700. Let's
Awesome.
see.
I got a little in the morning. I was able to cut at the little drop on US 30,
Yeah.
like around 7:30, I guess it happened. For
Yeah,
a quick stop.
I've been on a sell since yesterday. 31,200. Well, I mean 32,000 around.
Yeah, me too. Me too.
Let's see what up with gold.
minutes.
Come on, bro. Let me see this real quick. Ooh. GBPJPY broke that little resistance right here.
Good push up.
That shit gonna go up. That shit gonna go up.
That 15 though got blocked at the top on GJ.
Compared to this trade on GJ when it closes. Yeah, when it closes, if you guys want, you can enter this trade on GJ.
That's Euro. You're looking at Euro.
I mean Euro. My bad. I keep calling GJ because I have GJ open on my other screen. On Euro.
That shit's going up to what? What do you think?
Bro, it just broke the last resistance point that I had on there. So let me look at the daily, but it looks like it has potential to go up all the way to 22,830. Give me a second here. I'll say 22,571. Like another 150 or more points, but it has potential, bro. For sure, for sure. Yeah. Yep, has potential to go up, man. Put stop loss below here. Below the 20 line, because they can come back, retest the 20 line, and keep going up and up and up and up. So,
Bro.
yeah.
Oh.
Let's see.
No.
Yo. It's still
Pay attention
up there.
for Dow Jones.
US dirty.
It's still on there in the stone, bro. Close below already. Where's that Euro shit? Yeah, it's turning now that resistance into support. 22,380.
A nombre del hombre trabaja hoy. No sé. No bajó el teléfono.
Antes, pero no se puede llamar a una persona en otro día. Ahora tiene una cita y no tiene cita.
Turning that shit into support. The 20-day average right here.
Right.
Yo, fucking close already, bro. Now she has momentum though. Now she has momentum to sell all the way down. That
Yeah,
5
bro,
minute
yeah, bro.
push, serve bearish as fuck. Ending home sales fall for 5th straight month. And GBP forming like a little possible double top. See what's going on here. Like a little double top. With the you see how this shit just keeps like bouncing back and then retraces back. There's a strong area of support here, so we definitely want to wait for a break below this so that you don't jump into any trades that too early. So you always want one confirmation by closure. So you always want the candles to actually close below that shit. Shit. Also, if it closes here on this third candle in a row bearish, we got a nice little confirmation of bearish momentum down. So let's get this shit. Yo, woof. Look at this. Look at this. Somebody come look at this. That shit. Touch the 20. Boom, pumping down. Yeah, I think that should hit up like 1760, bro. For sure. This shit coming back to touch the 20. 1760 for sure, bro. Wow. There we got it. Let's take a look at some shit. You can jump on that momentum saw right there. Nah, woo, drop it. With Vladimir.
Bro, take profit where?
31,700. I mean, that's the goal, but you don't have to wait all the way down there.
Okay, I got you.
Quick, let's go. The goal, that's the goal. I think it's a very achievable goal right now, the way this candle is looking.
Yo, Alex, where would you put the stop loss on gold right now?
Where did you enter?
No, I'm saying if we were to enter like right now that is dropping.
Right above this candle. 1782. Just because if it wakes up enough to eat up that candle, it's gonna wake enough to go back and retrace up.
Right. Okay. Gotcha.
now. Okay, my first entry was a profit. Oof, shit melting, boy. Putting another entry right there.
Oh, fucking slow.
Yo, look at that. Look at that. Look at my entry from last night. Watch. Boom. Let's take this shit down, boys. So 5 minutes. Yeah, she's gonna keep going. Let's go. Come on. Yo, this gold is dropping too. Quite easy. We can get a reversal back and touch back again. I would add another entry just because it's closer to the entry level. Gotta wait for candles to close. That's cool. Continuation drop. We're touching the 20. Put that shit reverse. Put that shit reverse. For those who don't want to wait all the way to the 31,700, you can take profits every 50 points around there. It's up to you in reality, so up to you. We're definitely bearish. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go. Let's go.
Boom, boom.
Get this shit out the fucking way. Let's get it going. I'm bored as fuck with this shit. Shit.
Bless you. Bless you.
I give up. $44 seconds. Let me see what's going on with our 5 minutes. Looking sketchy as fuck. Oh my god, a bullish doji. A bullish doji on the 5 minutes.
You hopped on a sell for US30?
What?
Did you hop on the sell for US30?
Yeah, I will. My shit's been running, but it just closed because I had
That's fine.
a shit running from 32,000, but still gonna go keep going down. So I think it's, we entered right here after the break. Still gonna keep going down. I have another entry. Where the fuck is my other entry at? Like 31,900. No, 31,880. So like right here. Let's go, bro. Melts. Maybe over here, we're already like 98 points in profit. My overall target is 31,700. So it might come back, retest the 20 moving average like it's been doing, and then keep dropping. Essentially, what you guys want to look at is the big time frame so you guys don't get faked out. So you want to be looking at this right here to give you the direction of the market. So you guys don't get faked out on those little pumps back and forth, back and forth. So 20-day moving average on the 1 hour, price is still under it and it's still moving down. So we're still good on that. We're still bearish. 4 hour, we're still bearish. And a nice turning point that it did here, a beautiful turning point. So overall direction, we're still heading down. Down, down, down. If we do a fib, let's say from top to here, we get that right at that right at that entry point where we had that support. Look what's there, the 50%. So I'm looking for, if that shit comes back up here, I'm gonna add another entry right around that area for a nice continuation all the way down. So I'm looking for some shit like this. Hit and bounce back. The moving average is also going to move closer, so it's going to match perfectly. This would be a perfect trade because it's going to come back, bounce off the 50, bounce off the moving average, and then return, keep going all the way down. So if you guys are looking for another entry, this is the play right here. The play right here is you're gonna wait for, if you guys closed out already and you're looking for another entry, that's fine. Or for those people that haven't gotten in, the play right here will be waiting for this to touch, get into this area right here, okay, for a continuation all the way down. I have an entry right now here at 31,880. If it keeps going up, I'm not going to close it. I'm just going to add another entry over here at 31,000. 9:30, and then when it comes back down, it's gonna be eat my entry. I'm not worried about it going up yet until when it starts closing candles above the 20-day. That's when I start worrying about it possibly reversing. Right now, I'm not worried about it. Right now, all this is just retest of the 20-day, so I'm not worried about that. Let's see. Choosing some blue. Let's look at something else. GBP/AUD hitting resistance, looking like a sell down. I think Vladimir on that. GBP/AUD. Yo, Vladimir, you in the call? Let's see if you see him. I don't see him here. No, I don't see him here.
Hola.
We'll let him know in the chat that it's hitting resistance. So we got this nice little resistance here. Not there, my bad. GBP/AUD. Nice little resistance there. You can start looking for sales here for GBP. Let me take a look at actually. Yeah, sales to this point right here to the 50 for a continuation up. Stop loss like above here. Fuck, is that the Joker or something? Jesus. Give me a second, hold on. So here we got a nice little resistance area. If you guys can put like I said, sales here. I would not write it all the way down just because it is bullish. I would probably write it to the 50. Or if you guys want to wait, what you wait is for retracement back to this 50 area here, and then you get that continuation all the way up. So let me change this real quick here. Okay. There we go. You're starting to do that. So now we got that reversal all the way back. You see that? Reversing all the way back to entry. Okay, we're hitting the 50. Second. Hitting the 50. Okay, it looks like it's coming back for the 20-day moving average. As long as we stay below that moving average, we are good. We're still in sales mode. We're not looking for any type of buys until we're actually above this. So back at the entry, those of you that weren't able to get in, you can get in around this area right here from the 50-ish. I guess if some people use the 61.8 Fibonacci or something like that, so this would be probably 50 to 61.8. I like to use the 50, but I just entered one up here right now, so it's already in profit. $900. So we'll see. When you do the fibs, you can do from high point starting impulse. So started the bearish impulse in reality like over here, ended it down here, retracement back to the 50. So if we see now bullish candles above this 20, kind of going back above this 70% area, then we can look at reversals all the way back up and make it a new all-time high. So gotta be very careful with that. But as of right now, this little area right here, you're good to enter on a sell. Just manage your stop loss somewhere around this area. You don't want to enter on a sell here and get this keeps going up bullish all the way up like this and shit. So stop losses should be placed around here. So what was our support before is now becoming our resistance. Like I said, we're at the 50% area, good area, and now it's becoming our resistance. So that's how you know that this was a valid support right here, and now it became a nice resistance. So there we got the drop. If anybody entered up there, you should be in profit already, like 20, 30 points. Let's go. Let's get it. There you go. It should be in profit. 50 points, 40 points. Let's go. Let's go. So TP1, TP2, TP3. For those who wonder how I send my TPs, that's how I usually send my TPs because of the fib. So entry that we just talked about here. This will be the TPs right here: TP1, TP2, TP3.
You're holding that bitch to 700. I bought in at the 31930.
Yeah. I mean, it looks like I said, it rejected off this support that we had before, so it looks like it's still gonna go down. It's still looking bearish, bro. I mean, this is TP1, TP2. If you want to close around this area for profit, you're fine. If not, I will wait till at least TP3 for a nice profit though. That will give you what, like 100 points, I think it is, profits. I don't know what you entered. That's definitely how you do it. You definitely throw the fib, dot, 50% retracement. We got the 20-day moving average right in front of that. That gives us an extra boost of confidence. Because when you have that 20-day moving average above that 50%, bro, you got that night. You gotta think of the moving average as a resistance or support. So when it's under that, support. When it's above that, is resistance as well. So entries. I don't know what my fib is fucking like this. It should not be like this at all. It should be like this. There we go. So it's below TP2. Let's see if we can get to TP3, which would be 31,862. Entered. Fucking dog is playing under me. Stop loss. Target. Yeah, it should drop more. 1 minute end. Let's go. Let's go. Make sure you manage your stop losses and you're moving it so you don't lose any money. If you did enter up here, do not leave your stop loss up here for no reason. Just move it already because we're already almost at TP3. So you should be moving your stop loss accordingly right now. We're in TP3. Your stop loss should be in TP1 already right now. So you shouldn't be even at break even. You should be right now at a profit if in case of a loss right now. Once it hits swing over here, your stop loss should be like TP2. So we hit TP3. Looks like it's retracing back. A fucking bitch. Ooh. Let's go. Love it. I fucking love it. Damn it. Back to TP3. So I said, if you guys want to take profit, those for you who entered up here, if you guys want to take profit here, it's fine. You already got almost 100 points from here to here. So it's up to you guys at all. I am writing it down, baby. There we go. Come on. So I entered 21,920. I think Roger, you said you entered 21,930, right?
932, bro.
Oh, so you're in hella profit right now.
Yeah, I'm like 80 points of profit. 81 point of profit right now.
Yeah. Let's go. Let's get this money. Let's get this money. Let's go. Let's go. It just hit swing. It just hit swing. Let's get this fucking money. I'm like 10 G's in profit right now.
Stupid ass bitch, man.
Let's go. Let's get this money, boys. Let's get this money, boys. Shit. Live trading with the team. Getting that US drop right now. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's fucking go. 14 grand in profit. Let's go, Roger. You in profit. You hella profit right now, Roger. Roger that. All right. I'm gonna close one of my entries here. Boom. Let's go. I'm gonna close this on here. All right, let me see something real quick here. Let's take a look. Let's go, boys. All right. I'm gonna close my position here. This 31,814. What about a $14,000 profit? So good shit, boys. Good shit. Because I gotta go. Got shit to do. So, but you guys just got some nice 100 points plus profit.
Thanks for paying for my signal, bro, for the month.
Hey, there you go, bro. There you go, buddy. Okay. Now you would have made double the profit. You went here, retrace here like I did, and then boom, closed it back down. So let's get this shit though. Let's get this shit. Still going. I love it. I love it. Woo. Damn, wish I wouldn't have closed. All right, guys. I'm gonna get off. Should be good enough. A nice little profit this morning. I will post the videos for those of you who have the course. I will post this video up on the beginners and on the advanced for webinars, so you guys can take a look at how we re-entered here. We entered here, we re-entered here, and we took this drop down. All right. Anybody still holding? Hold to 31,700. That shit should drop all the way down, right? See you guys. I'll try to do another live call tomorrow.
Thank you, bro.
No problem.
Yeah, thank you.
Bye, bud.